How to create a new Pi wallet address. Let's dive right into the video. I'm going to simply show you how to do this in a few minutes. So guys, let's dive right into the video. Right here on the screen, you can see the option of create wallet. So how did I actually got here? So the first step you need to take is to make sure you already have the Pi browser on your device by going to your Play Store or App Store depending on your device and search for Pi browser. Go ahead and search for Pi browser like this and you're going to see this app. So that's the app you need to install on your device, and after installing it you need to go ahead and click on open in order to open it. So once you click on open, this is what the home page of the app is going to appear as. So in order for you to actually create a new wallet on your Pi, you need to click on the wallet option right here. So if the reason why you want to create a new wallet is because you've actually forgotten your passphrase, I've actually made a video on how to recover your passphrase. So you can go ahead and watch that video. I'm going to leave that video on this video's description as well, so you'll be able to see it. So you need to watch that video if you've actually forgotten your password. Now if that is not the case, right here, in order for you to create a new Pi wallet address, this is what you simply need to do. Looking here on the screen at the bottom, you can see where it says you can create a new wallet. So that is where you need to click. So once you click on that, looking here, you're going to see where it says generate new wallets. But this is what you need to take note of. Now, if you create a new wallet, all the Pi in your previous wallet is going to be inaccessible. So if that is what you really want, you can go ahead and click on create a new wallet. But if you want to recover your old wallet, I've actually made a video on that. I'm going to leave that video on this video's description. So right here, you can go ahead and click on generate new wallet like this. So once you do that, looking here is your passphrase. You need to copy this passphrase and save it in your drive or on your device or anywhere. And also click on use fingerprints so that even if you forgot your passphrase, you'll be able to use your fingerprint to recover your account. Then go ahead and click on continue right here. So right here is your Pi wallet. So right here, you can simply go ahead and activate your Pi wallet by doing your KYC if it is already available for your wallet by clicking on available, and you'll be able to do that. If it is not available, just as mine, you're going to see the option of unavailable. So this is how simple it is to create a new Pi wallet address. Hope you found this video helpful. Now hit the like button, subscribe and hit the notification bell to be the first to get updated whenever I upload helpful videos like this on this channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.